How's it going, guys? Just want to do a quick video here, see if anybody has any input on this situation before I destroy something. I recently acquired this this pistol and a few others. So you see how, you know, just utterly wrecked that is. Apparently this is a Smith & Wesson, what is it, 642 Airweight? The real, I think it's a 642. Anyway, this side's not too bad. This side is obviously the side that was up against their person while they were carrying, and it's just wrecked the finish. But I see there's a lot of problems with the finish wrecked on these, but I haven't seen anything other than Cerakoting, which is the next option. But I was wondering, since these are Airweights and they're aluminum frames, I was wondering if anybody used like Alumahide, or I saw this aluminum black. I don't know if anybody's, I know it works good for touch-ups and stuff like that, but you think it would work good for the whole finish, just go all black with it? I sanded a little piece of the back strap down and I did it smooth. I got that, it's got like some kind of clear coat on it or whatever. I guess that's what's basically coming up, is the clear coat. I guess I could, you know, I guess I could polish it all too. That's another option. What do you guys think? I'm gonna try a little bit of that aluminum black here. That way, worst case scenario, nobody's gonna see it. It's gonna be, you know, hiding anyway if it looks terrible. But I might just go Cerakote. What do you guys think? Any suggestions? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.